Okay, we're in this Coloane area, and basically what we're gonna do, there's like a bunch of kind of cool stuff everywhere in that way, but we're gonna be walking down this way. They're actually filming there, so we're also gonna capture it a little bit. But we're basically gonna walk down this street a little ways anyways, kind of give you an idea of the waterfront street in Coloane. Although granted, there's cool stuff down that way too. We'll see which way we go. But we're gonna basically go down that way. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're basically gonna go down this way, and then we're gonna kind of capture what we can capture. There's lots of tour groups in this space, and they're filming in the plaza to the left, so we're just gonna take a look at that real quick as well. Let me just kind of see. So they got all their filming stuff, and I don't know if I can get up in there or not. I kind of wanted to capture some of that, so I was coming around the other side. I'm just gonna kind of walk in here real quick and see what we can see. So yeah, they got a whole little film crew set up there. So they got all this stuff here. This is a good place to film. I don't want to get too close because I know that they're... Yes, they got a restaurant in here too. I actually did another video where we're looking down that way, and I was kind of talking about these trees. Each tree has a number. So they're numbered like 125, 126, 133. That means they're preserved by the government. So pretty cool. Okay, I think we're gonna leave them alone. I'm kind of debating. This is kind of so interesting. They're filming and the church is open. I don't know. I think maybe they're filming in church a little bit too. There's somebody doing selfies there. That shirt says no photos. There's also, we could also go that way too. So I think what we're gonna do is just go down this way. I just filmed this one a little while ago called Patio de Value. And the Biblioteca down there. And we're just gonna go down through a little bit. There's a Gucci bag right there. And it's got some nice artwork down there as well. So we'll check out all this stuff. Actually earlier, that one's actually occupied. So they have little numbers, 132. I'm kind of curious. I didn't know that somebody came in there. They've got that kind of interesting rooftop up there as well, right? Ice cream shop. And actually kind of interesting that somebody just went through that door. So there's a nice courtyard right there. Really curious what that would look like. I'm also curious to go up there too. And that I have never been up in those hills over there. Got the waterfront right there. Okay. Kind of a cool looking building. I wish I could sketch. That'd be kind of a cool building to sketch. Especially the symmetricalness of the windows and such. Got some artwork in there. So yeah, kind of a cool space. Okay. Actually, this is kind of interesting one too, because there's like, you got these preserved trees as well, these big binding trees. And then this building looks kind of, there's like a fish kind of thing in the windows. Another little courtyard right in there. So that would kind of lead into a courtyard. So when you open up, there's a space right there. So it's kind of interesting, right? Because you could, I don't know, it's like so amazing having a courtyard like that. And here's some nice artwork on this one. More of these preserved trees as well. Kind of a cool little space. Especially the artwork like that too. That looks beautiful. And it's going to kind of angle like that. And yeah, I can also frame that as well. So we kind of have this, that frame like that with the art like that, and then this one right here like that. It's kind of nice with that house looking thing too, like that. So actually this one actually has a like if you scan these with the phone, it'll be like tell you that it's marked like preserved, and I think they like make sure that, you know, they continue to flourish. It's like natural heritages now. There's apartments right there. Balcony up there. Yeah, they're doing some construction down here too, so it's called Cinco de Outubro. And this is kind of interesting church as well, right there. There we go. It's kind of a cool space like that. And we got all this beautiful artwork, so we're actually going to just kind of go around the corner a little bit. Capture this one as well. It's kind of cool with that. Some of those. Like that. We got a whole little alley back in here. So this alley is called Quitano, I believe. Yeah, Quitano. So yeah, that's a nice little stretch to explore. If you go down, there's another layer. I see this one for rent sometimes. So we're going to continue down that way, but this building's kind of interesting because there's like a courtyard right there. An interesting space. And that's all the artwork right there. Lago de Estelero. It's going to keep walking down. Yeah, and this one has this giant courtyard. And I have seen this for rent. Like these corner ones, I've seen that for rent before. Actually, that one looks kind of interesting too, right? All of our black and white tiles, ships. And if we walk all the way down to the end, I guess I should go see what it's all about down there. They blocked this road recently, but you can go down here and there's a temple at the end, but they're building something with bamboo structures and such. You can see this little park right in here. Huh. There's a tree with all these little flower petals everywhere. Smell the flowers. This that one would be a nice shot with the camera. Okay, so we're gonna walk this right here. Church. So yeah, usually this whole one you have these little chairs that go all the way down. Black and white Portuguese tiles. So those go all the way down. Then this one we have all this bamboo, so we're gonna see what they're doing here. Oh, Lisboa Chinesa. So this is actually a school. I thought it said church down there, but actually it says it's the Portuguese Chinese school of Coloane. Yeah, and actually they have there's still trees in here with the benches as well and all the scaffolding. So I don't know what they're building exactly. But there's a temple down here, and then I don't know. I guess I go all the way down and see. This is called Cinco de Outubro. It looks like they're building something up out here. So you have all the bamboo scaffolding into the water. They're doing that and that. Huh, and even this water is coming all the way down here too. Oh, this bamboo as well. I don't know if we can go all the way in or not. So Avenida de Cinco de Outubro. So I guess we'll end this one. So that one is to the end of the street. Then it goes into this little scaffolding part. And I guess there's... Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.